Here I have REALME C25Y, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device. So firstly, let's open settings. Then you have to go to the accounts section, tap add account and select Google. Of course, you'll need internet connection to add Google account. So here you have to enter your email or phone number, tap next. Then you have to enter your password, tap next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And at last, you can select if you want to enable Google backup feature. Right now, I'm going to just skip it for now and then tap accept. An account will be added. If you want to remove this account, just select it here and then tap remove account and confirm it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.